Imagine trading crypto, minting NFTs, or building dApps, all with near instant transactions and super low fees. There's one blockchain that's built just for speed and scale. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Avalanche. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It has established itself as a leading layer 1 blockchain. And it is designed to deliver high throughput, low latency, and scalability without compromising the security of the blockchain. Now, what stands out is the feature that its innovative subnet architecture, which also empowers the developers and the communities to launch custom blockchains that is tailored to their specific needs. Now, this flexibility, guys, makes Avalanche a natural choice for DeFi protocols, for NFT marketplaces, and for Web3 applications, as well as those gaming ecosystem. Want more leads in niche domination? YTRanker.net is here to cut the fluff, build real strategies that drive results. Alright guys, so let's start by opening an incognito window, and this keeps our searches clean and free from any biases from previous browsing. So let's go ahead and make sure that the settings for this one is set to English. Alright, so let me go ahead and run a couple of searches. So hi proxies, who comes up first? Look at that. That's me right there. All right, let's run one last thing and see if this one also gives us a positive result. Bam! Look at that, guys. My thumbnail is ranking at the top of the search results, so that is how you would know that you're doing something right. So, want your business to be the go-to in your industry? It starts with YTRanker.net, where we take you straight to the top. Let's get back to the video. Now, if you have been trading, the name Avalanche will definitely ring a bell. Now, guys, one of Avalanche's strongest advantages lies in its speed and its cost efficiency. The transactions on the network finalize in under 2 seconds, and it offers near instant settlement for users and the developers alike. Now, combined with that significantly lower gas fees compared to Ethereum, Avalanche enables microtransactions, affordable NFT minting, and efficient DeFi trading. Those are key drivers behind its rapid adoption. Now, the ecosystem, guys, continues to expand, which hosts major DeFi projects such as the Trader Joe, you have GMX, and you have the Benki, the BENQI, right? Beyond finance, guys, Avalanche also supports NFT platforms and gaming projects. Now, it showcases its versatility as a foundation for the broader Web3 economy. Now, guys, Avalanche is positioning itself as a hub for innovation across industries in the cryptocurrency space. Now, guys, central to the ecosystem is its native AVAX token that is used for transaction fees, staking, and governance. Now, the AVAX token is integral to the network operations, and staking not only secures the blockchain, but it also provides token holders with the passive rewards. Now, in addition, guys, AVAX holders play an active role in governance, participating in votes, and that shapes the upgrades and the network evolution as well. Now, through its speed and the growing ecosystem, guys, Avalanche continues to attract developers, users, and investors, which solidifies its place among the top tier blockchain platforms. So if you are into DeFi, NFTs, or basically building your own dApps, Avalanche is one of the fastest chains out there. So you could go ahead and explore the ecosystem and try a quick swap. You will see how fast crypto can actually really be. I would strongly suggest do your own research. Head on over to their website. You have all their tabs right here. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.